I got something in the mail today from Shield400. I know what this is, but I can't wait to see it. So I thought I'd do an unboxing. I want to say thank you very much for even offering this for me, to me. And wow, that's a big pedal. And he signed it just like I wanted him to. Oh. And it has this awesome acrylic guitar pick, which I will definitely be using for my bass on some covers. And he said he modded it for a chorus or tremolo, which I can't wait to try this out. I've never used a chorus pedal, so I don't know what to expect on how it works. Nice foam backing. Man, this is a Fender Starcaster Chorus pedal. He said that he upgraded to the Boss Chorus, and this was just sitting in his drawer, and he sent it to me because I needed a chorus pedal. Only thing I need to get to finish out my pedal board, which isn't really necessary right now, it's just a little tuner pedal, which a little cheap one I'll get, but this is what I've been using. This has done the job, and it still works, so no need to replace it right now. But a chorus pedal has definitely been on the list to get. So thank you so much, Shield, for this. It will definitely be on my pedal board, and you will also hear this in some of my new covers that I'll be uploading. I might actually use this on the bass, so stay tuned.